Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a slime package. So I ordered a slime package on Tuesday, and today's Thursday. So I came to it. So what would do slime package video? So I'm doing it now. Yeah. Okay. Because the light is broken, so I'm gonna fix this up first. Oh. Ooh, so fluffy. Here's my here. But over here, here's my butterfly. Oh, let me get out. Get out. God, it does feel like butterfly. No. What is that? This is it. This is obviously so soft. Look at this, so I went in with my scissors, so soft. That looks so soft. Look. Isn't that so satisfying? Okay. Okay. So this is fine. Good stop though. Okay. Put this in here. And put it down here. Next slime. Get this. Same with my sleeve one. I don't have to ruin this one. That is just the biggest size. So sticky. Really. Oh, yeah. Okay. Really sticky. Ooh, it has beads in it. So crunchy. No way. There's a hair in this. So sticky. Really. There's a hair on this. I can't find it now, but there's a hair on it. This is pretty good. next time. It's really good. We go through. So. Ooh. It's open. Let's take some open. No, it did not go out. There's a little. That's okay. Oh, election. I'll try it out. Yeah, I do. Okay. So, 3 stops, I guess. Jelly. Yeah. Big gelatin. Yeah, that's totally pretty good. If I wouldn't. So, let's look for our next one. Ooh, this is a pretty blue one. Ooh, there it is. The texture though. The texture, no. It looks so. I love the texture. The texture's so amazing. Look at this, guys. No. Okay. This is so. The texture's like amazing. It's so amazing. The texture's so amazing. I love it. I do. Okay. 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 We're doing this one, I guess. So. I'll try to control them because no time. Alright. Alright, that's fine. Ew. I don't like the texture. Ooh, now I do. Ooh, I can do it. Oh my god. So, this is it. So amazing. Yeah. I'm making something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 there. Come on, door glass. Okay. It's so weird. So, make this. How is this hard? It is hard. No. Oh, it's so hard. It's so fancy. It is really all hard. Honestly, this is so glossy. Yeah, that's small too. So small I can't do a bubble. So, I'm trying to do a bubble. I can't. So, okay. Yeah, it's really coming now. Okay. So. Here. So. People stop myself. You're doing this. Ooh. Special dealer. Pretty good. How tiny though. The hard though. Okay. So, now I ordered a few. So guys, that will be the end of my slime package. So, yeah, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and comment down below which slime was your favorite. My purple silly one, my yellow one, my white one, my pink one, my green one, and my butter one. So, go comment down below which channels are best, or which slime were best. And